Sustainable living is a key focus on this channel. And to crown the name of our channel, that is Sustainable Living with Jess, we are going to run a 31-day challenge. This challenge is going to be dubbed Vlogust. If you're a YouTuber or you have been following YouTubers, you know what Vlogust means. Vlogust means is posting a vlog or a video every day in the month of August. I don't know whether we will be able to keep up 100%, but I will give it my best shot, because you know what? I feel like I have the psyche to do it, yeah? So I'm just going to highlight the things we are going to be focusing on so that you will be able to know what to expect this month. I have my notebook here, so I'll just highlight. We're going to focus on sustainable living, of course, which is our core. And this is going to involve eco-friendly swaps and all that. It's also going to work on how to dispose our wastage or recycle what we can. Then we're going to work on saving on grocery and household options. We're going to work on a budget meal plan. We're going to have some DIY home improvement projects. Of course, this could be our time to go back to restaurant reviews. I will definitely visit some restaurants as we go along. It's going also to work on food waste challenge. If you don't know what that is, keep it here. We'll also try something I have seen, I've never tried. It's called a picnic perfection. And of course, August is my birthday month, so I will have to travel. I have not confirmed the destination, so I have a few options which I will be letting you in during this Vlogust. Of course, I have to do a few challenges. If you know me and you have seen maybe my other channel is where I do most challenges, this time I also want to try a challenge that revolves around the niche of this channel. And also, I would love viewer interaction. Maybe along the way, we can propose or have a lunch date with a subscriber. So you better be commenting, liking, sharing, and you ensure you're subscribed here. You're following us on our other socials to ensure you don't miss this opportunity of a giveaway. We will also have live if you want, so you can leave a comment down below if you want us to have a live. We have contests that will give you some money, and we'll have some polls. And of course, remember, I love learning from you, so you can tag us on something that you have discovered. Why not? We also want to learn new things, so if you discover something new, please tag us. We cannot also forget to share cleaning hacks and homemade detergents and all those things. If we cannot make some of these things, leave a comment down below if you're an expert in any of the things, so that you can help us achieve our goal of getting to our audience whatever we have promised. And of course, we can't forget recipes and different gadget experiences. Key important this month, I want to highlight a few things I want to focus on. Number one, financial planning for homemakers. If you're a homemaker, make sure you keep it here. Number two, monthly budget breakdown. Yes. Number three, meal planning basics. Number four, cheap and healthy meal ideas. Number five, grocery shopping hacks. And so many other things. The list is endless. So see you as we start the Vlogust. And I hope to see you every single day in August, supporting us, sharing your feedback, maybe reaching out to us to help us in creating content. Please, we will appreciate your support. So see you on 1st August as we start the challenge.